Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a video on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for adding the video, here on the right, you can see many options, and here's an option. You can see here add video. Click on that. And from here, you can just search the video that you wanted. And after searching it, from here you can just choose the video that you wanted. And after choosing the video, click on insert. And then you can see that you had been add video on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to do hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.